Deals. It is February 23rd. We have a 2004 W900 mixer truck that is now a dump truck. It is a single frame. It's running a little bit over 200,000 miles. I believe it's 249. Please check the listing. But we're going to give you a quick little walk around video of this unit. It's pretty clean. This was owned by a good company here who takes care of their stuff. They grease it, they maintain it, and we'll give you a quick example here. It's a nice truck here. It's got the heavy front end on it. It's got good tread on the front. Aluminum wheels in the front. It is a single frame. They have a 4-stage lift here for the dump truck demo box. Again, nice tread in the rear. These are just going to be your regular steels in the back here. We got 44K rears in the back. Non-leaf spring, but that's a good suspension on this one. The box is really clean. Obviously these scuff rails here in the top, they're not in the worst shape, but they get used, they get hit by wheel loaders. There's no holes or any excessive beading here on the inside of the tub. It's in pretty good shape. It does have a tarp system as well. Has a nice little lip. Get on this side. Nice tread on the rear. This had a rear drive line rebuilt and put in by Inland Supply, which is here local in Dallas. Also put another, it looks like they put a new yoke on. Replaced the U-joint here. Also, that one's original design. New U-joints where it needed it. The carrier bearings are in good shape as well. Okay, nice little truck. It does have a single gas tank here in the front. It does have the heavy steer front axle. Let's go ahead and open this hood up, let you see inside here. It has the Cat C11 insert. Nice clean running truck. Just had a new oil cooler put on it. Well, you see there's no blow by. No puffing. Nice and clean running. Just installed a whole brand new AC system here, new dryer, new compressor on the other side. Looks like it had a new turbo system put on here. New AC compressor. You got new shocks all the way around the truck, new shocks on everything. Clean shafts, nothing's leaking. It's DOT ready to go. It's got a new IFTA tag for 2024. It's a nice, clean, ready to go truck. It does come with the extra 3 drop axles. It is sold with the truck. It comes with the truck. They're just not put on right now, but it's capped off. They're ready to be put on. It's all plumbed inside for it as well. Give you a quick preview inside. Again, 3F04. It's got a 13-speed Eaton Fuller. Nice little chair here, no rips or tears. $257,000 miles. We also got an hour meter on this one here. 2,584 hours. Go ahead and turn the lights on. It does have a Cobra radio, CB. The air suspension gauges are still here, not taken out. They're just, obviously the drop axles are not on. The AC is blowing pretty cold here because they just replaced it. So all that's working just fine. It is blowing cold out of here, and it is blowing with some effort. So don't have to worry about that. Anyway, nice clean interior here. CB radio. It's a nice, clean, ready to go working truck, boys. So if you guys need a truck that's ready to work, as you can see, all the lights are working. It's DOT ready. It's ready to go on a job today. This unit's available through Equipment Deals. Please give us a call at 972-666-9501. If you want to go ahead and look out for the next video on this truck. We'll have an operations video of the transmission working, brakes, and obviously the tarp and the hoist as well.